2023 is almost over and you still haven't found the smartest way to grow your money. Wait, what then have you been doing? No need to worry because you've come to the right place. Here are the top 7 ways on how to grow your money the smart way. Start investing in stocks or mutual funds. Putting money into stocks or mutual funds might be a good way to get your savings growing. Investing your money in the stock market can help you reach your financial objectives by providing you with returns that could potentially outpace inflation. You should begin by gathering information. Invest some time into researching several equities and mutual funds that fit your financial aims and risk tolerance. Try to choose businesses that have proven growth histories, competent management teams, and sound fundamentals. Spread your bets around. You can lessen your exposure to any one firm or industry by diversifying your holdings among several stocks or ETFs. As a result, your investment portfolio is more safeguarded from market downturns and volatility. It's important to maintain a level of awareness. You should stay abreast of developments in the market, the economy, and any companies in which you have invested. With this information in hand, you'll be more equipped to take advantage of opportunities when they present themselves. It is crucial to analyze and alter your portfolio on a regular basis. Due to the ever-changing nature of markets, it is essential to review your portfolio on a regular basis and make any required adjustments to ensure you are making progress towards your objectives. A long-term outlook is necessary when investing in equities or mutual funds. Focusing on the long-term potential of your investments will help you ride out the inevitable short-term fluctuations and maximize your gains over the long run. Remember that there are risks associated with investing, and seek the advice of a professional who can tailor their recommendations to your specific needs. Consider real estate investment. Putting your money to work in the real estate market is a shrewd strategy for financial growth. To get started, you should conduct research on the many various kinds of real estate investments, such as residential and commercial properties. Establish crystal-clear objectives in accordance with the aims you have for your investment, whether those objectives include the generation of rental income or long-term appreciation. It is essential to acquire finance. Therefore, investigate all of your available possibilities, such as loans and mortgages. Choose real estate in appealing places that have the potential for expansion, taking into consideration things such as neighboring facilities and employment prospects. Before making a purchase, it is important to undertake extensive due diligence, which includes inspecting the property and evaluating the risks and potential returns. After you have acquired a piece of real estate, it is imperative that you effectively manage it, locate tenants who can be relied upon, and keep up with current market trends. Keep in mind that real estate investments frequently demand patience in order to realize long-term appreciation. It is very important to have adequate knowledge and, when necessary, to seek the guidance of an expert. Real estate can be a fruitful strategy to increase your wealth if you approach it with the right mindset and approach it in the right way. Best of luck. Time to hit that subscribe, like, and notifications button so you don't miss any videos. Open a high-yield savings account. Firstly, a high-yield savings account offers a greater return on investment than a standard savings account. As a result, your wealth will accumulate more quickly and you will have more money over time. If you put money down regularly and let it grow, the power of compound interest can do amazing things for your savings. Another perk is that you can get your money quickly and easily. High-yield savings accounts provide liquidity by allowing you to access your money whenever you need it, unlike long-term investments or other financial products. Your money will always be easily available in case of emergencies or unforeseen costs with this plan. It's also easy to get started with a high-yield savings account. Online account opening is available at most banks and financial organizations today. Investing in a high-yield savings account is as simple as setting up an automated transfer from your checking account. High-yield savings accounts may offer higher interest rates, but they may also have withdrawal requirements or other restrictions. To make educated choices, you should read the fine print and pay close attention to any fees or penalties. In conclusion, if you want your savings to increase, you should open a high-yield savings account. It's a safe and convenient way to save money and grow your wealth because of its high interest rates, high liquidity, and low complexity. You can take the first step towards realizing your monetary goals by beginning your research right away. Automate your savings and investments. Setting up regular transfers from your checking account to a savings account is one way to save money automatically. You may rest assured that a regular percentage of your earnings will be set aside in this way, rather than having to set aside the time to do it on your own. Smart financial growth requires setting up automatic savings and investment plans. This will allow you to reach your financial goals more steadily and with less effort on your part. Robo-advisors are helpful while making financial decisions. Your investment goals and risk tolerance are taken into account by the underlying algorithms of these automated platforms. Without requiring regular attention, they can help you optimize your investments and diversify your holdings. You should also think about contributing to retirement programs offered by your company, such as a 401(k). Payroll deductions allow you to save for retirement with the opportunity for employer matching funds and tax benefits. Automated rebalancing can help you keep your investments in check. By doing so, you may rest assured that your portfolio will continue to reflect your intended asset distribution. Maintain a consistent schedule of progress monitoring and course correction. You may build your money steadily and make wise choices with your finances if you automate your savings and investing. Pay off high-interest debt. Debt with a high interest rate, as that incurred by credit cards or personal loans, can have a devastating effect on one's budget. Since interest accrues quickly, it can be difficult to make progress towards your financial goals. You can save money on interest payments and have more money available for other uses if you pay off high-interest debt first. Determine which of your current debts carries the highest interest rate. Create a strategy to pay off these bills first, prioritizing their payback over other expenses. The snowball or avalanche strategy suggests starting with the smallest debt and working your way up to the one with the greatest interest rate. Consider increasing your income or decreasing your expenses to speed up your debt payback. Taking on additional work, reducing frivolous spending, or talking to lenders about reducing borrowing rates are all options. You should refrain from taking on any additional debt until you have paid off your existing high-interest debt completely. Make a budget and stick to it to control your spending and stay within your means. Paying off high-interest debt first helps you save money, raises your credit score, and gives you financial freedom once more. Making this astute financial decision will put you in a better position financially moving forward. Start a side hustle for extra income. Starting a side business to earn extra money is a smart approach to grow your savings. It's a great strategy for boosting your income and securing your financial future. Start your quest towards a side income with these guidelines. First, you should evaluate your current set of abilities and interests. Where do your interests lie? What is it that you excel at? This will guide you towards a side gig that not only capitalizes on your skills, but also fills you with enthusiasm. The next step is to do some market analysis and look for openings. Find a space where you can fill a void with your own special brand of service. Positioning yourself well requires knowledge of both the need and the competitors. Develop a thorough strategy after you've had an inspiration. Find your niche, charge what you're worth, and plan your marketing strategy. You can stay focused and well organized with a plan in place. Scale up from a modest beginning. Start by advertising your services to people you already know. As your expertise and standing grow, you can reach a wider audience through channels like social media, websites, and local ads. Management of one's time is of paramount importance. It can be difficult to juggle a side gig with all of your other obligations. If you want to get things done without letting them take over your life, you need to develop a plan, set priorities, and stick to it. Keeping tabs on your cash flow will help you manage your money better. You can use this information to make better choices and spot problem areas. Always keep in mind that developing a side business requires time and effort. Don't give up, try new things, and jump at whatever chances for advancement you get. Your side gig has the potential to become a significant revenue generator if you put in the time and make the right choices. Stay disciplined and avoid impulsive financial decisions. You can put yourself up for long-term financial success by exercising restraint and making deliberate decisions. Having concrete financial objectives is the first step. It's important to have both short-term and long-term goals. This will serve as a guidance when you make important financial decisions. The next step is to make a budget to keep tabs on your cash flow. You'll have a better grasp of your financial situation and be better prepared to set spending priorities with this knowledge in hand. Putting money away in savings and investments guarantees you'll get closer to your objectives. The establishment of a rainy day reserve is also important. Unexpected events happen all the time, and having a financial safety net will help you avoid making hasty choices when things go tough. Get yourself set up for success by putting away 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Avoid making hasty adjustments to your investment strategy in response to short-term market swings. Think carefully about your investment strategy in light of your risk appetite and end goals. If you need help making judgments, it's best to consult an expert. Finally, train yourself to delay satisfaction. Try to control your spending habits and wait till you have enough money to buy the things you really desire. In addition to keeping you out of debt, this will teach you to be responsible with your money. You may build your money wisely and move towards your financial goals if you maintain your discipline and resist the temptation to make impulsive financial mistakes. It's important to keep your long-term goals in mind when you make decisions to secure your financial future. Secure your financial future and pave the route to success by putting in place effective tactics for growing your wealth. You can do amazing things with your money if you plan ahead, save regularly, and invest wisely. The sooner you get started, the sooner you can see the positive effects of your money multiplying and working for you. Enjoy the ride, keep your eye on the prize, and see your financial success skyrocket. Now click on the next video